Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a calendar using Google Sheets. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and go to this page docs.google.com/spreadsheets, and you can just easily use a template on the Google Sheets, which is this one. If you cannot find it in here, you can just go to the template gallery and scroll down until you found this personal section, then click on the annual calendar. So click on a template and then the template will be open. So the year is following the current year now, which happened now. If you want to change the year, you need to go to the settings. So let's scroll down. You can go to format and choose the theme. If you want to customize it, you can see you can bring your personal style into your annual planning, which monthly planning. Here you can select, just go to format and choose a theme. Then you can customize the calendar to your liking. You can change the color and also change the year. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.